In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gcash not sending code. If you're stuck waiting for a one-time PIN or verification code that never arrives, this quick reset usually clears the problem. We'll refresh the app's stored data and make sure it's running the latest version, which often fixes delays or failed code deliveries. First, find the Gcash app on your phone. Instead of opening it, press and hold the Gcash icon until a small menu appears. Look for the small I icon, sometimes labeled as App Info, and tap it. This takes you to the System Settings page for the Gcash app, where you can manage storage and other options. On the App Info screen, tap Storage, or it may say Storage and Cache on some devices. Here, you'll see options to clear temporary files and reset the app's stored data. Start by clearing the cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing glitches without touching your personal data. Then, clear data as well. When you clear data, you're essentially giving the app a fresh start. Keep in mind, this will log you out and reset in-app preferences, so you'll need to sign in again later. If you rely on the app for payments, make sure you remember your login credentials and have your recovery options ready before you proceed. After clearing cache and data, head to the Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Gcash and open the app's page. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Updates often include important fixes for code verification and notification issues, so it's a good idea to get current. If you only see open, you're already on the latest version and can move on. These steps work together for a simple reason. Clearing cache and data removes corrupted or outdated files that may block verification codes from sending or arriving, and updating ensures you're not running into a bug that has already been fixed by the developers. Combined, this gives the app the best chance to request and receive codes properly. Once you've finished, you can reopen Gcash, sign back in, and request the code again. With a clean slate and the newest build, most users find that the verification message comes through promptly. If your device still doesn't receive the code, give it a moment, then try again later, as network delays can happen. But in most cases, this reset and update is all you need to get back on track.